Hey guys, Luke C here with TFBTV. We're here at ATI at SHOT Show 2023 with one of their newest products, a 22 long rifle conversion for Glock pistols. Robert, why don't you tell us about your new little gift here for the Glock community?
Yeah, what we're trying to do is just have a conversion kit that's affordable and you can actually use almost every part in your Glock. What we're doing is all you're going to have to do is replace your barrel, and we put a little feed lip in here, and you'll be able to. There's an adapter that we're utilizing that can be loaded in the magazine, any Glock magazine, 9mm magazine, and you can actually add the 22 cartridge into the shell adapter and then load it into the magazine. So all you'll have to replace is your barrel, the feed lip, and you'll be able to have these disposable or reusable shell casings to put your 22 in as an adapter, and you can load it in any of your Glock magazines. We're coming out with this in the Glock 17 models and the Glock 19 models. Gen 2 through 5 will be different SKUs.
So virtually any Glock model that's out there on the market today, we can grab one of your conversion kits, slap it in the gun, and you're off to the races, right?
Yes, sir. And here's the barrel.
Okay, so you mentioned earlier that it's just a barrel, the feed ramp,
it's a feed ramp
and
system.
then the casings for the 22 long rifle cartridges, right?
Yes,
so
sir.
How did you guys work around the locking block for the Glock pistol?
Well, basically what we have is this is actually engineered in Germany, and they were working on this for a while. And
so essentially what you've done is you've taken the Glock 19, which is a tilting barrel lock breech design, and you've turned it into a straight blowback pistol, right?
Yes, sir.
To accommodate for the weaker power of the 22 long rifle cartridge.
Yes, we did.
Awesome. And so other than the barrel and the cartridges and the feed ramp, no other parts changes are needed, right?
No, and the exciting thing too is that you're adding your rim cartridge into this adapter, and you're actually using the Glock firing pin to ignite the rim.
Awesome. So this 22 conversion will fully cycle with factory ammunition, with the factory Glock parts, and your conversion kit parts, right?
Yes, sir. Just the barrel, the feed rip, and then your adapters for the shell casing.
And same magazines too, right?
Same magazines.
33 rounders, drum magazines, the whole 9 yards. They'll work on all those too.
Yes, sir.
Cool. So what are we talking about in terms of when I can pick it up and how much it's going to cost?
We're looking at the second quarter, and the best part about this is the MSRP is $99.95.
Wow, so just $100 for a Glock conversion. Wow, that's actually pretty affordable compared to like the full house conversions that take different magazines, different recoil springs, 22 specific barrels and stuff like that. Okay, cool. And where can people find it?
www.americantactical.us.
Awesome. Robert, thank you so much for showing us your new 22 Glock conversion kit, and thank you guys for watching TFB TV. Stay tuned for more from SHOT Show 2023 on TFB and TFB Showtime.
Thank you.